Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This is CAFYIR and today we'll be talking about math tips and tricks. We have two awesome math tricks that will make your life easier. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Tip number 1, multiplying by 9. How do we do this? It's actually pretty simple. Start by holding both your hands out in front of you. You're going to put the corresponding finger down to what you're multiplying by. The number of fingers that are still up on the left of the finger is the tens place. The number of fingers that are still up on the right of the finger is the ones place. Let's practice. I have both my hands out in front of me. If I'm doing 9 times 1, I'm going to put my first finger down. There are 0 fingers on the left and 9 fingers on the right. So 9 times 1 equals 9. I do the same for 9 times 2 and get 18. 9 times 3, 2 on the left, 7 on the right, 9 times 3 equals 27. Again for 4, 3 on the left, 6 on the right, 9 times 4 equals 36. Now for 5, I get 4 on the left and 5 on the right, 9 times 5 equals 45. I can do this all the way up to 10. 9 times 6 is 54. Now I'll do 9 times 7, I get 6 on the left and 3 on the right, so 9 times 7 equals 63. Now for 9 times 8, I get 7 on the left and 2 on the right, so 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9, 8 on the left, 1 on the right, so 9 times 9 equals 81. And finally 9 times 10, I put my 10th finger down, I get 9 on the left and 0 on the right, so 9 times 10 equals 90. That was so simple. Now let's move to tip number 2, multiplying by 5. When you multiply an even number by 5, there's a special trick that you can do. Half the even number and then multiply by 5 and then double your answer to get the 5 times the even number. Let's practice. 5 times 4. Let's start by halving the even number. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Then we're going to multiply 2 by 5 and we get 5 10. 5 times 2 equals 10. We're going to take that answer and double it. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Now for 5 times 6. Half the even number. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now do 5 times 3 equals 5, 10, 15. So 5 times 3 equals 15. Double that answer. 15 plus 15 equals 30. So guess what? 5 times 6 equals 30. Finally, let's try 5 times 8. Half the even number. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Do 5 times 4. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 times 4 equals 20. Double the answer. 20 plus 20 equals 40. So what am I going to say? 5 times 8 equals 40. Just like that, we know how to multiply by 5s. So simple. Now let's test your knowledge. Let's start with 9 times 4. Try using the hand trick to figure out what 9 times 4 equals. If you got 36, you are correct. Great job! Let's move on to one more example. What is 5 times 12? Try using the halving trick to find out the answer to 5 times 12. If you got 60, you are correct. Great job! Now you can use these two awesome tips and tricks in your daily life. I hope you learned so much today. Share your math knowledge with us using the hashtag CAFYIR on social media. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. We post new videos every single Thursday on so many different topics. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!